So I've shown you the Mira model. So now I'm going to show you the second biggest unit here at the Highgrove, which is the Lana. The Lana is 129 square meter and the minimum lot cut is 156. So let's go. So same as Mira, the Lana model has a minimum of 2-car garage. So the total number of carports will really depend on how big the lot you will reserve here at the Highgrove. So we have here the lanai area, tapos meron din po tayong sliding door here. So you can use this as an extension of your living area, no? Pwede kayo maglagay ng outdoor seatings here. Yan. So dahil galing po tayo ng garage po natin or carport, pag ikot natin here, we have an auxiliary kitchen area which you can use to clean your groceries, do your dirty cleaning, like kumbaga maghuhugas kayo ng bike po ninyo, po pwede siguro dito. Then you can also allocate this for a washing room, no? Then we have a room here na extra which you can use as a storage area, or you can designate this as a room for your maid or your driver. So meron na rin po siyang sariling toilet here. So this room is not accessed inside, so may privacy pa rin po yung gagamit po ng room po na ito. Yan. So dito po, so makikita po ninyo, malaki pa naman yung area po natin dito. Minimum setback natin is 2 to 3 meters po. Depende na lang sa lot cut na kukunin po ninyo. Pero the minimum is 2 to 3 meters. So pasok po tayo sa loob. So the same as Mira, electronic din po yung ating entry here. Again, this is a model unit, so meron na pong mga improvements na ginawa here, tapos nagdagdag pa tayong ng mga furnitures and appliances. So, hindi po siya kasama sa package po natin, no? When we check Erin, makikita po ninyo yung actual deliverables. Ang deliverables po natin dito is complete finish naman, pero dito kasi may mga ginawa pa po siyang improvements, no? So this is 4-bedroom din po yung Lana. So we have the room 1 here. So yan, you can use this as a guest room, as a room for your senior housemates, or you can make or turn this into an office. Then meron din po tayong toilet and bath here. Yan. So open layout din po tayo here. So ang kagandahan po niyan, mas maluwag po yung feel ng ating unit. So you can put your or you can turn this into your living area like what the model unit is proposing. Then you can have the dining area here, kitchen area here. Then again, meron po tayong sliding door here. So, pwede po natin itong buksan para makapasok po yung natural lighting and natural ventilations. Especially here, kasi po nasa Lipa po tayo, medyo malamig po ang klima po natin here. Yan. Yan. So, that is for the ground floor. Let's go up. So again, the Lana model has 4 bedrooms. So we have 1 at the ground floor. Now we have here room 2. Yan. Malalaki po ang windows po natin, no? Makikita nyo po. So, talagang sapong-sapo yung lighting, natural lighting natin at saka makakapasok po yung hangin natin here in Lipa. So, we have big windows din here. Yan. Then, we have a common toilet and bath here that can be shared by room 2 and room 3. Now, this is room 3. Yan. Again, furnitures are not included in the package, no? Then, we are here at the master's bedroom. Meron po tayong ensuite. Meron pong sariling toilet and bath po yung master's bedroom po natin. Yan po yung master's bedroom. Then, here sa master's bedroom, like the Mira, nandito po yung access po natin sa balcony. Yan. So this is Lana model. Again, this is a model unit. So yung improvements po natin, furnitures, appliances is not included in the new inventories. Ang delivery po natin dito is complete finish, no? Pero if you'd like this unit specifically, including this is available for sale, including all of the improvements, all of the furnitures, all of the appliances. So if you're interested in that, let me know. So yun po. So see you here on site. This is Rash from Peribeo.